Are you tired of your laptop slowing down right when you need it most? Whether you're crushing deadlines at work or diving into your favorite games, nothing kills productivity like a sluggish computer that can't keep up with your demands. I've been testing the NIMO 17.3-inch gaming laptop, and honestly, this machine has completely changed how I think about what you can get for your money. This isn't just another budget laptop pretending to be powerful, it's the real deal with specs that'll make you do a double take. First off, that AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor is an absolute beast. Clocking up to 4.9 GHz, it actually outperforms the more expensive R9 7940HS in real-world testing. I've thrown everything at this chip from video editing to multitasking with dozens of browser tabs, and it handles it all without breaking a sweat. The 32GB of RAM is where this laptop really shines. Most laptops in this price range give you 8 or maybe 16 GB, but NIMO went all out here. You can run multiple virtual machines, edit 4K video, or have every program you own open simultaneously. This thing just keeps going. That 1TB SSD means lightning-fast boot times and plenty of storage for all your files, games, and projects. Combined with the Radeon 780M graphics, you're getting smooth performance whether you're working with graphics-intensive applications or enjoying some gaming sessions after hours. The 17.3-inch IPS display gives you that premium viewing experience with crisp colors and wide viewing angles, while the backlit keyboard and fingerprint scanner add those professional touches that make daily use a pleasure. What really impressed me is the connectivity. Wi-Fi 6E keeps you connected at blazing speeds, and that USB 4 port means you can connect to virtually any modern device or dock. Plus, the 100 watts fast charger that comes included means you're not tethered to the wall all day. Thousands of buyers have rated this laptop as a top performer in its category, and NIMO backs it up with a solid 2-year warranty and 90-day return policy. That kind of confidence in their product speaks volumes. If you're ready to stop compromising on performance and get a laptop that can actually handle everything you throw at it, this NIMO gaming laptop delivers professional-grade power at a price that won't break the bank. Check the link below for today's Amazon deal and see why so many people are making the switch.